Hollywood. I got 500 in this Invaders from the Planet Moolah. Went up to 50 free plays. See, I don't get that. I thought you could win up to 400. Whatever. Alright. Must have gotten 60 anyway, so I suppose 50 is realistic. Alright. Let's do 5 a spin. Oh. Let's get some cows. Come on, moo cow. There we go. There you go. Keep going. Do it again. Yeah, one more. At least. Alright, we got it. Keep going. Do it again.
Invaders from the Planet Moolah!
Let's do this. Come on. What is this crap? Go ahead. Keep going. Wow, that was straight garbage, guys. That was garbage. Alright. Is that really what I think it is? All that BS for $52? I guess so. See, one more in that one spin and all that BS we just went through. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right, now we're back in there, buddy. Keep going. Come on. You son of a cow. Son of a heifer. Come on. Come on. Look at this dude. Chickens. Boxes. Come on, keep going. Yeah, one more. Lame. Unacceptable. Keep going. Come on. Keep going. Do it. There we go. Look at all that crap. That's a good one. Keep going. With the wilds, how is that not hitting anything? Keep going, come on. Yeah, keep going. Alright, one more. Come on, come on, come on. Yeah, there it is. One more. Keep going. Keep going.
Invaders from the planet Moolah.
Come on. How's that not hitting? Oh my god, this is terrible. Alright. Wow, that was terrible. 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 I think this casino, well, this one in Tampa, the worst payout casinos I've ever played at. I think it's 88% payback here. It's pretty bad. Yeah, rock and roll. Keep going. Come on, one more. One more. Lame. Come on. Yeah, keep going. Oh, are you kidding? Are you serious right now? All right, I'm gonna stop there, guys. That was Invaders from the Planet Moolah. Pretty garbage if you ask me, but I guess we got to play for 10 minutes when we lost like 95 bucks, so I guess I can live with it. All right, thanks for watching. All right, guys, I'm in the highlight room at Hard Rock Hollywood. Let's do some moon race. We're gonna race the moon. Look at that buggy. I want a boogie. Give me a boogie. Buggy, not a boogie. All right. Yeah, there we go. All right, so let's do, what do you think? Yeah, we'll do $5. He's running. He's running. All right, come on, moon me. Moon me moon race. 3 of those, or 6 of the moons. It's kind of creepy. This absence of gravity is creepy. Alright, Moon Man. Ooh, look at that one. Come on. Boop. I don't like that beeping. Gets on my nerves. Come on. Moon me. I want the moon. Is that too much to ask for? Three of those. Buggies. Come on. Yeah, one more. There it is. All right. Come on, man. All right, let's go. 10 games. There we go. Bonus and a bonus. Come on, Moon. Give me that minor moon. We just won a little minor moon. It's no biggie, right? A little minor moon. Like one of those moons on Pluto. Like a little one. Not a mini moon, just a minor moon, you know. Minor little no biggie. Alright. Or let's get all the moons. Alright? Moon me. Moon me. Alright. Little minor moon. No biggie. Alright. Come on, moon. Oh, it sounds like a Nintendo game, doesn't it? I've played this. It's like Metroid. Come on. Yeah, alright. We still got like 8 free games left. Alright. 245. It's not bad. Come on, Moon. Do it again. Oh, don't be giving me all that and blocking it. Oh, I see what you're gonna do. You're BSing me, Moon. Moon Man. Yeah, that's what I feel like doing to you. Stomp all over you in my moon boot. If you don't pay me. Don't be beeping me 3 times and giving me nothing. Alright, last spin. Oh, okay. I see what it's gonna be. Moon butt. I'm gonna go below 300. Moon me with that all day. Alright, enough of that beeping. Come on. Alright. Hey, look at that. bucks. Not terrible. Give us some more room to work with. Lame. Look at that. It keeps dropping that 1,000. Yeah, do that. Come on. You butthead. Wow. A little bit of everything's nothing. Yeah, more of that. Two more. Alright. Did that go? It did. Yeah, okay. 26. More ammo. Come on, yeah. Oh man, those are big too. That would have been nice. Stupid moons. It was right there. It was hanging. It was hanging there. Uh-oh. $107, that's not bad. Look at all those moon guys. You know what? Do it. Oh, I saw it go by. Yeah, we're gonna stop at double up, guys. Pretty good. That was Lightning Link Moon Race from the Highlander Room at Hard Rock in Hollywood. Thanks for watching.